Welcome back to my vlog channel. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this channel. Make sure you share this farm channel and subscribe if you haven't. Today we are digging some holes. So we're planting out some turnip seeds today. We're making holes to plant some turnips and some tomato seeds over here. As I said, I'm going to use up this space. We planted some string beans already. So really just drilling the holes to make it easier. You see how easy that is? Yep. Yeah, so I got this drill bit from Shein. We had the drill set already, and I just buy the bit from Shein to dig up the dirt. I don't even remember how much I pay for it now. But if you go and you're supposed to can find it on Amazon as well. But it makes the work a lot easier. A lot more fun. String beans over the side, but I don't think you went so far to plant. It's a good look. Miss Erica down there picking off gungo that we're gonna shell to replant as dry gungo. Look at that, guys. That's the Jamaican Dr. Bird, the original one with the long tail. I haven't seen it in a while. Wow. And some come back in. We have to go with them here too. Okay guys, so this is my garden find. You know, today I felt like just making some soup. So we decided to go in a old ground, a very old ground that we had a yam garden, and when we went on the farm, I really didn't think I was going to find anything, to be honest, because I thought we dug up everything. We only had a few yam heads over there that we left to swell so that we can replant. But guess what? I found yam. I found cocoa. I found pumpkin. So guess what? We're gonna make our soup and we don't have to go to the market. We actually found a few sweet potatoes as well. And I had carrot and chocho and so on. So the soup is good to go. Let me show you yellow yam, cocoa, and sweet potato on the farm. You know what I mean? So guys, I'm encouraging everybody to just plant something. Because, you know, once you sow, you have to reap. And there are going to be times sometimes, not for all of us, but for some of us, when we need something and we really don't have the money to go to the market. And you can go on your farm and dig up something or pick something and make food and eat. So yeah.